Hello, and welcome to English Guide Friendly, best place to listen, repeat, shadow, and master English at a comfortable, natural speed. I'm Carrie, and I'm really glad you're with me today. Before we dive in, here's a quick challenge. If you want to speak English more confidently, stay with me till the end, because I'll show you how to turn your daily routine into a powerful speaking habit. Today's episode is all about describing a typical day, not just with short answers, but with full, natural sentences. By the end, you'll be able to talk about your day in English, clearly and confidently. Let's start with a question. Why should you practice talking about your day? The answer is simple. Your day is real. The events are familiar. No need to search for ideas. When you describe what you really do, you use words that matter to you. You don't need to talk about the news, history, or complicated subjects. Just talk about yourself. It's the easiest way to practice English you'll actually use. Let's break it down. You can share when you get up, what you like for breakfast, whether you work or learn at home, and how you're feeling. Tired, focused, happy, maybe a bit stressed. When you practice this way, you're not just speaking, you're thinking in English, building real confidence step by step. If someone new asks, "What did you do today?" you'll know exactly what to say. For example, "I woke up at 7, I had coffee and checked emails. This evening I made dinner and watched a show." Now you're having a real conversation, and you don't have to be perfect. A small effort every day makes English come naturally over time. Let's dive in and practice, starting with the morning. Listen, then repeat after me, slowly and clearly. I usually wake up at 7 calm. Now, your turn. Repeat. Sometimes I get up earlier, around 6:30, when I have a busy day ahead. Repeat after me. If I sleep late, I feel tired the next morning. Repeat. I often stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my day. I take a deep breath and stretch my arms and legs. Next, I get up and walk to the bathroom to brush my teeth, slowly and carefully for 2 minutes. Then I wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel awake. Sometimes, if I feel sleepy, I take a fast shower. While I'm showering, I like to play calm music or listen to English audio. After my shower, I get dressed, always something clean and comfortable. If I have an important meeting or class, I choose a more formal outfit. Now I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. Usually I eat toast, eggs, and fruit, or sometimes cereal with milk. If I have time, I make an omelet or oatmeal. I enjoy eating slowly while drinking my coffee or green tea. During breakfast, I might watch a short video or just listen to the birds outside. Before leaving, I check my phone, read my messages, and look at my schedule for the day. I pack my bag, phone, notebook, keys, water bottle. Then I'm out the door. Let's shadow a short morning story. Listen, pause, and repeat after each line. In the morning, I usually wake up around 7 am. Sometimes it's earlier if I have lots to do. I lie in bed, stretch, and think about my plans. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes, then wash my face. If I still feel tired, I take a quick, warm shower. I pick out clean clothes and check my hair in the mirror. Then I make breakfast. Toast with butter and jam, and sometimes a boiled egg. Coffee is a must for me in the morning. While eating, I sit by the window and enjoy the peace. Before I go out, I check my phone, my wallet, and my to-do list. Then I put on my jacket and shoes and step outside to start the day. Great job. Now let's practice some ending sentences. Every morning is a bit different, but I like to follow a simple routine. Starting my day with English helps me focus. I'm proud of my progress, and I'll keep going. Now, let's talk about the afternoon. Afternoon can be busy, work, school, or taking care of family. Even when you're busy, you can practice English, listening, repeating, or shadowing. Let's go through some useful afternoon sentences. After lunch, I go back to work. Sometimes I feel sleepy after eating. I check emails and answer the important ones first. I read messages from colleagues or classmates. I have meetings in the afternoon, sometimes with a client or manager. If I work from home, I prepare reports or presentations. I look at my calendar to see what's next. Keeping my desk organized helps me think better. Around 3, I take a short break with tea or water, maybe a snack. If I have time, I go for a short walk for fresh air. If I'm free, I use the time to study English, listen to a podcast, read a story, or watch a slow English video. Before I finish work, I write down what I did and review one new English word. This helps me remember and stay organized. Let's shadow a story for the afternoon. After lunch, I sit at my desk and make a to-do list. I often have a short video call with my team. After the meeting, I take a break and make tea. Sometimes I go for a quick walk outside. If I have extra time, I listen to a podcast and shadow the sentences. Before finishing work, I write a quick summary and add one English sentence about my day. Now it's your turn. Pause this video and try to talk about your afternoon. Don't worry about mistakes, just speak. Let's try some sentence starters together. In the afternoon, after lunch, sometimes I usually take a break before the afternoon ends, let's move to evening and night. In the evening, I come home at 6, take off my shoes and rest. Sometimes I watch the news or listen to music to relax. I cook or order dinner, then eat at the table with family. After dinner, I clean up and maybe go for a short walk. Before bed, I read a book or listen to calming music. I take a shower, brush my teeth, and go to bed around 10:30 or 11. You did it! Today, you listened to a complete daily routine, practiced new phrases, and used real English. You're not just studying, you're living in English. Remember, each sentence brings you closer to fluency. Come back to this episode and practice again. Each time, try to add more details to your story. I'm proud of your progress. Keep listening, keep shadowing, and keep believing in yourself. Thanks for joining, and see you in the next episode. Bye for now.